Ever been scammed at an airport? It's an experience we wouldn't wish on anyone. Airports, the gateways to our dream destinations, can also be the breeding grounds for scams. In the bustling terminals and crowded lounges, opportunistic tricksters are on the prowl, ready to exploit the unsuspecting traveler. This year in 2024, we're taking a deep dive into some of the most common airport scams that could turn your travel dream into a nightmare. From fake airport personnel to phony transportation services, from luggage theft and tampering to deceptive currency exchange. We'll also delve into the risks of Wi-Fi and public charging stations, fake flight updates and notifications, unauthorized baggage assistance, and counterfeit ticket sales. Each of these scams is designed to catch you off guard, but with the right knowledge, you can keep your journey scam-free. So stay tuned to learn how to protect yourself from these common airport scams. The first scam to watch out for involves imposters posing as airport personnel. These tricksters often dress in uniforms resembling those of security officers, airline staff, or even customs officials. They may approach you with a friendly demeanor, offering assistance or guidance, but their ultimate goal is to swindle you out of your money or belongings. So how does one differentiate between a genuine airport employee and a fraudster? It's simple. Authentic airport personnel will always have an official ID badge prominently displayed. If you're unsure, do not hesitate to ask for their identification. If you encounter someone who you suspect is posing as an airport official, do not engage with them. Instead, look for a nearby information desk or a real security officer and report the incident promptly. In the hustle and bustle of airports, it's easy to let our guard down, but staying vigilant can help ensure a safe and scam-free journey. Remember, always verify the identity of airport personnel before handing over your belongings or money. Now let's move on to the second scam, phony transportation services. This scam targets travelers just when they're feeling the most exhausted and vulnerable, right after a long flight. Scammers pose as taxi drivers or rideshare operators, offering to whisk you away to your destination. But once you're in their vehicle, they might overcharge you, take you to the wrong location, or worse. So, how do you spot this scam? Be wary of drivers who approach you inside the terminal or who don't have an official-looking vehicle. Always double-check the credentials of your driver against the information provided by your rideshare app. To avoid this scam altogether, stick to transportation options that are recommended by the airport. Many airports have official taxi stands or designated pickup zones for rideshare services, and remember to always trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Stick to verified transportation services to ensure your safety. Another common scam to be aware of is luggage theft and tampering. This insidious trick often occurs when a traveler's attention is elsewhere. A scammer may swoop in, snatch your bag, and disappear into the crowd. Alternatively, they may tamper with your luggage, stealing valuable items or planting illegal substances. The consequences can be severe, ranging from the loss of personal belongings to legal trouble if illicit items are found in your bag. To protect your luggage, consider investing in a high-quality lock and always keep your belongings in sight. Regularly check your luggage for signs of tampering, especially after leaving it unattended. If you discover your luggage has been stolen or tampered with, report the incident to airport security immediately. Be prepared to provide a detailed description of your luggage and its contents. Remember, the airport can be a bustling place filled with distractions. Keep a close eye on your belongings and take precautions to safeguard your luggage. Let's talk about the fourth scam, deceptive currency exchange. Picture this. You've just landed in a new country, and you need the local currency. You spot a currency exchange booth, but beware. Not all are as legitimate as they seem. Some may offer enticingly high exchange rates only to hit you with exorbitant hidden fees. Others might be outright fraudulent, giving you counterfeit bills or less money than you should receive. So how do you avoid this pitfall? Firstly, do your research. Know the current exchange rate and compare it with the rate offered. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Secondly, always ask about fees up front. Legitimate services will be transparent about their charges. Lastly, consider using your bank's ATM or a reputable online service, both of which usually offer better rates and lower fees. Stay alert and only use trustworthy currency exchange services. The fifth scam involves risks associated with Wi-Fi and public charging stations. Picture this. You're stuck in an airport with a dying phone battery, and you spot a free charging station. Or maybe you've got a long layover, and decide to connect to the airport's free Wi-Fi network to pass the time. Seems harmless, right? Unfortunately, scammers have turned these conveniences into opportunities for theft. Public charging stations can be manipulated to access your device and steal your personal data. Likewise, unsecure Wi-Fi networks can be exploited to monitor your online activity or even install malware on your device. So what can you do to protect yourself? First, avoid using public charging stations and carry a portable charger for emergencies. Second, if you must use public Wi-Fi, ensure you're connected to a secure network and consider using a VPN for added security. Remember, your personal data is precious. Stay safe online and be cautious when using public Wi-Fi and charging stations. Another scam to be aware of is fake flight updates and notifications. Here's how it works. Scammers, often posing as airline representatives, send text messages, emails, or even make phone calls with false flight details. They might tell you that your flight is delayed, canceled, or that there's been a gate change. The goal? To create panic, and in that confusion, they may ask for personal information or payment to resolve the issue. The potential consequences can range from missing your flight to identity theft or financial loss. So, how can you verify flight information? Always check directly with your airline, either by calling their official customer service number, checking their official website, or using their official app. If you receive a suspicious notification, don't click on any links or provide any personal information. Instead, take a moment to verify the information independently. Always verify flight updates and notifications through official channels. The seventh scam involves unauthorized baggage assistance. Now, this scam is a bit more hands-on, literally. Here's how it typically unfolds. You're navigating the bustling airport, luggage in tow, when a friendly stranger offers to help carry your bags. They might even show some form of ID, but don't be fooled. They're not official airport staff. After helping you, they demand an exorbitant fee for their service, and refusal often leads to confrontations or even threats. The risks here are twofold. Not only could you lose money, but there's also the potential for your luggage to be tampered with or stolen outright. So how can you stay safe? Politely decline any unsolicited help with your luggage. Remember, official airport staff rarely approach passengers to offer assistance unless it's clearly needed or requested. Keep your luggage close and maintain a firm grip on your belongings at all times. Be wary of unsolicited assistance with your luggage. Finally, let's talk about counterfeit ticket sales. This scam is a classic yet still effective trick that fraudsters use to exploit unsuspecting travelers. They may offer you a ticket at a significantly reduced price, or promise an upgrade to first class, all for a too-good-to-be-true deal. But when you try to board your flight, you're left stranded as the ticket is either fake or has been canceled. The implications can be severe. Lost money, missed flights, not to mention the emotional distress. It's a harsh reminder that if a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. So, how do you steer clear of this scam? Always purchase tickets through official channels. This includes airline websites, reputable travel agencies, or directly at the airport. Be skeptical of third-party sellers, especially those offering unreasonably low prices. Remember, your peace of mind and safety are worth more than a discounted ticket. Always purchase tickets through official channels. These are just a few of the common scams that travelers need to be aware of. From fake airport personnel to phony transportation services, the risks are real and can seriously impact your journey. Remember, your luggage is precious, so beware of theft and tampering. And when it comes to currency exchange, don't fall for deceptive rates. In this digital age, even Wi-Fi and public charging stations have their risks, so always be cautious. Be skeptical of fake flight updates and notifications. They can lead you astray or worse. Unauthorized baggage assistance and counterfeit ticket sales are also on the rise, so stay alert. The importance of vigilance while traveling cannot be overstated. It's crucial to arm yourself with knowledge and share this information with fellow travelers. Together, we can create safer airport experiences. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and remember, knowledge is your best defense against scams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others stay safe too.